Okay, this is Steven in his car. He is proceeding to go get a hard on right now. He's getting in this mini monster. You gotta put a strap on the door.
Yep. Oh,
this is a LT1 R32. I think there's one in the world. Gonna light it up now. And then we're gonna go make a test lap.
Yep.
Okay, I think it needs 91 freeway though. Healthy car. You gotta say, that's awesome. This car is so bitchin'. Keep in mind, it's not even tuned yet. This is a preliminary break-in tune. So it's not gonna be a hard pass. That car's so awesome. Wait till that baby gets tuned, makes 5.5 to the tire. Boys and toys, boys and toys. I think this is the reason I've been married 9 times. Well, the hardest part Steven's going to have driving this is to get see around the hard-on he's going to have. We should probably edit that. Let me see.
hello.